The Schlage spinning bolt issue occurs when the deadbolt rotates freely without engaging, failing to lock the door. This is common in older mechanical models like the B60 and B62 series. It primarily stems from alignment problems and internal mechanism wear. To diagnose the spinning bolt issue, first determine if it's caused by misalignment or internal wear. Alignment problems account for 70% of these cases. Start by checking if the door sags. Use a level placed vertically on the door to see if it's plumb. Also inspect for settling foundations or humidity-caused warping that could misalign the door frame. Next, examine the strike plate alignment. The bolt should extend fully into the strike plate when the door is closed. Look for gaps where the bolt isn't catching properly, or if the plate is positioned too high or low. If the door and strike plate alignment appear correct, the problem is likely internal wear. Components like the bolt carrier, retractor spring, or internal gearing may be worn from use or debris. In such cases, professional service or replacement parts may be needed. Begin by unscrewing the interior and exterior plates to remove the lock set. Use a screwdriver to carefully remove the screws. Once the plates are removed, carefully pull the lock set away from the door. Handle the components gently to avoid further damage. Inspect all parts for visible damage, such as bent components or excessive wear. Look for debris or old lubrication that may be causing issues. Removing any debris and old lubrication during inspection may help identify the source of the spinning bolt problem. To reset the Schlage lock mechanism, first locate the reset hole on the interior side of the lock. Insert a screwdriver or paper clip into the reset hole. Turn the tool counterclockwise while pulling the bolt to reset the mechanism. This reset procedure may temporarily resolve the spinning bolt issue. To adjust door and strike plate alignment, first ensure the door is plumb using a level. Check for any sagging or misalignment that could prevent proper locking. Next, adjust the strike plate height or shim the door or frame to ensure proper alignment with the bolt. This corrects any vertical or horizontal misalignment. Remember, even a small misalignment of just 1/8 inch can cause significant alignment issues. Finally, confirm that the bolt's throw matches the strike plate's receptacle for secure locking. Now for the final step, lubrication and reassembly. Start by applying graphite-based lubricant to all moving parts of the lock mechanism. Graphite is ideal because it reduces friction without attracting dirt like oil might. Apply it every 6 to 12 months, especially for high-security locks that see frequent use. Next, reassemble the lock set carefully. Align all components, including the latch bolt, levers, and chassis. Make sure everything fits properly before tightening the mounting screws securely. Test that the lock operates smoothly without any binding. Remember, proper lubrication prevents wear and tear, ensuring the lock engages smoothly and lasts longer. If the lock doesn't operate correctly after reassembly, double-check the alignment or consult a professional. Consider upgrading to a Schlage smart lock for a modern solution to spinning bolt issues. Models like the Encode Plus and Connect series offer advanced features that go beyond traditional mechanical fixes. These smart locks provide app-based diagnostics to troubleshoot problems remotely, remote reset capabilities to fix issues without physical access, and virtual alignment guides to ensure proper installation. Looking ahead, future Schlage locks will incorporate predictive maintenance using AI to detect potential issues before they occur, significantly reducing the need for manual intervention and repairs. Smart lock technology offers numerous advantages, including keyless convenience, enhanced security through real-time monitoring, and seamless integration with home automation systems. If DIY fixes fail or the problem persists, consult a professional locksmith. They can address complex issues like door warping or severe internal wear. Average repair costs range from $50 to $150. Professional intervention ensures longevity and security.